Welcome to Best 5 Choice. The best survival shovel is probably one of the most versatile and indispensable tools for any outdoor enthusiast, prepper, or adventurer, offering a compact yet powerful solution for a myriad of tasks ranging from digging and chopping to self-defense and emergency shelter construction, making it an essential addition to your survival kit. Number 5. Rhino USA Survival Shovel W-Pick. Introducing the ultimate tool for any adventure. This heavy-duty shovel is designed to handle all your digging needs, from off-roading to camping and beyond. Support a proud father-son business with the best USA-based customer support. Join the Rhino USA family today. This versatile tool features a 180-degree shovel, a 90-degree pickaxe, and a 90-degree pick hoe. Tackle various tasks with just one compact implement. When extended, it measures 24 inches long, but it folds down to a mere 9 by 6 inches for easy storage. It even comes with a heavy-duty carry case and weighs only 2 pounds. Engineered from robust carbon steel with a black powder-coated finish, it offers enhanced strength and corrosion resistance. Enjoy a sleek and durable appearance for years to come. We stand by our products with a lifetime replacement guarantee. If you encounter any issues, we'll ensure you're 100% satisfied with a replacement or refund. What we like. This tool offers incredible versatility with its shovel, pickaxe, and pick hoe functions. It folds down compactly for easy storage and comes with a durable carry case. If you need a reliable, long-lasting tool for various outdoor tasks and appreciate strong customer support, this is the one for you. What people say. Very solid and well built. Locks down and secures in pick and shovel mode. It's as solid as I expected. But just be forewarned, the shovel head is tiny, just over 4 wide and 5 long. The spade dug well. Although small relative to a regular shovel, I knew that before purchasing, it did real well digging through the mix of dirt, small rocks and small roots. Number 4. Sahara Sailor Unbreakable Tactical Shovel. Meet the ultimate survival tool, built with military-grade carbon steel and aerospace-grade aluminum. It's sturdy enough for any survival situation or emergency. This isn't just a shovel, it's a 23-in-1 survival kit. It includes a shovel, hoe, saw, knife, and many more tools to help you out. Easily fold and expanded for secure storage and transport. It comes with a durable carry bag, perfect for gifting. Take it anywhere your adventures lead. It's ideal for camping, hiking, gardening, and any outdoor survival scenario. With this, you have the essential camping and survival gear you'll ever need. Be prepared for anything. What we like. Boasting an unbreakable, military-grade construction, this survival tool integrates over 23 different functions. It's designed for those who want an all-in-one solution for any outdoor adventure or emergency. If you're looking for the ultimate survival kit that can handle almost anything, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The axe blade, saw teeth, and knife were all well sharpened. I anticipated needing to sharpen them myself, but it seems like that will not be necessary until I have used it a bit. This thing is a marked improvement over older models. First off, the handle is longer than most folding models, but because it's modular you can shorten it up to reach into smaller places like behind wheels, etc. The rubber seals and threads create a very firm, stable attachment that makes the shovel feel very firm and sturdy when working. I like that it is completely made of metal for strength, sturdiness, and reliability. The shovel blade itself has a nice cover inside the main cover for safety and keeping the shovel blades sharp and functioning their best. Number 3. AugTouf 18-foot Military Folding Camping Shovel. Introducing the AugTouf 18-inch Military Folding Camping Shovel. It's designed to be your reliable partner for any outdoor adventure, combining functionality with portability. Despite its full 18.1-inch length, this tool is incredibly lightweight, weighing only 25 ounces. It's the perfect compact addition to your camping gear, gardening kit, or emergency car essentials. This shovel comes with a durable nylon case that can be attached to your belt or backpack. It's even designed to double as a knee pad for added comfort during use. Crafted from high-carbon steel with a heat-treated, sawtooth blade, it's built for durability and resistance to rust and deformation. The triangular handle ensures a comfortable, non-slip grip. Its threefold design makes it incredibly compact and easy to store. This versatile tool can be used for digging, sawing, chopping, and even hammering, making it a must-have for any outdoor enthusiast. We stand by our product with a 90-day hassle-free warranty. If you're not completely satisfied, we offer a full refund or replacement. What we like. This shovel is incredibly lightweight and designed for ultimate portability, even coming with a versatile case that can attach to your belt or be used as a knee pad. Its compact yet durable design makes it ideal for quick deployment. If you prioritize ease of carrying and quick access for camping, hiking, or car emergencies, this is a great option. What people say. This shovel is incredibly versatile, functioning as a shovel, saw, axe, and even a fire starter. The compact design makes it easy to store in a backpack or vehicle, perfect for camping and emergencies. The construction is sturdy and durable, capable of handling tough digging tasks and chopping wood. Number 2. Zune Lotoo Tactical Shovel Survival Tool. Introducing a stylish and cool black tactical folding shovel. It's small, lightweight, sharp, sturdy, and easy to carry, making it a great companion for any adventure. This survival shovel is built to last with military-grade construction. Made from high-carbon steel, its integrated shovel surface is stronger and more durable than others on the market. It's more than just a shovel, it's a multifunctional survival tool. With features like a saw, nail puller, wrench, and even a fire starter, it's ready for any task. This shovel is designed for ultimate portability. It collapses easily and features a non-slip aluminum handle for a comfortable and secure grip. Perfect for camping, hiking, or any outdoor activity, this versatile tool is a must-have. It's a great gift for any outdoor enthusiast, ready for you anytime, anywhere. What we like. This tool features a robust, military-grade high-carbon steel construction with an integrally formed shovel surface for superior strength. It also includes a wide array of integrated tools and a unique concave surface design for efficient water drainage. If you need a heavy-duty, reliable multi-tool for serious survival situations and appreciate thoughtful design features, consider this option. What people say. After the snowstorm this past weekend and the trucks buried my car with super thick compressed snow and ice, this shovel came in so handy at breaking up the dense compressed snow and made getting my car out of almost 4 feet of almost ice super easy. This shovel has it all. Great value and utility. It is compact and stores easily. Perfect for ranch work and camping. I tested the shovel blade to trim the trees in my yard. It chopped green limbs 2 to 3 inch no problem. Knife is decently sharp, though I did sharpen it more. I like the hollow tube so you can nest things like fishing lines, hooks, cordage, matches, lighter etc. Number 1. Yeacool Folding Survival Shovel Multi-Tool. Introducing the Yeacool Folding Survival Shovel Multi-Tool, designed to be your go-to companion for any outdoor adventure. It's built tough for all your needs. This versatile tool goes beyond digging. It functions as a saw, bottle opener, nail puller, hoe, and even a pickaxe. It's truly a multifunctional marvel. Crafted from high-carbon steel, this shovel is incredibly sturdy and tough. The non-slip rubber grip ensures a comfortable and secure hold during use. Its compact and foldable design makes it incredibly easy to carry and store. Simply attach it to your belt or keep it in your car or backpack for immediate access. Whether you're a backpacker, camper, hiker, gardener, or metal detectorist, this tool is an excellent choice. It's also a superb gift idea for the outdoor enthusiast in your life. We are committed to your satisfaction. Enjoy a hassle-free shopping experience with our easy customer support. Order yours today. What we like. This shovel offers a wide range of functions, from digging and sawing to bottle opening and acting as a pickaxe, all in a compact and solid design. It's built for durability and ease of transport, making it suitable for various activities. If you're a disaster recovery enthusiast, a metal detectorist, or simply need a dependable tool for your car emergency kit, this is a solid choice. What people say. It's compact and lightweight, making it perfect for all those on-the-spot projects, whether that's planting flowers in the garden, taking it camping, or just keeping it in the car for emergencies. It's a complete foldable shovel with lots of additional equipment packaged in the handles. The handles are actually thick tubular stock and assembled. It has a great solid feeling. The LED light it has throws out a bright beam and used AA batteries. The ferro rod threw a shower of sparks to start my campfire, and the whistle blew loud. I checked the window breaker and driver bits but not had a chance to test them yet. Everything works like Bob's your uncle. This military multi-tool folding shovel is like a pocket full of silver, love having it. It's a complete foldable shovel with lots of additional equipment packaged in the handles. I needed all this equipment to supplement my get-out-of-trouble gear, but figured I'd have to buy all this independently. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.